Now, we have already discussed about the diameter of DNA is 20 nm or 20 angstrom. Diameter means the distance between the two strands, like this. If you see that in 2D, it is 20 angstrom. If you see that in 3D, this one is the distance between the two strands is 20 angstrom. Then the length of a complete turn. What do you mean by complete turn? This is half turn, guys. Half helix. This is half helix. So if you say the length of a complete turn means you have to keep in mind this half and this half. This is a complete turn. The length of a complete turn of helix is 3.4 nm or 30.34 angstrom. The length means this one. It's half. So the half and half totally one complete turn. One complete turn length is 34 angstrom. Here we have already mentioned half helix means complete helix length is 34 angstrom. Like this. The complete turn means this is half turn, this is another half turn. That means the length of this complete turn is 34 angstrom. Okay, guys? Then next point, there are 10 base pair per turn, means this is a complete turn, it is half turn, it is half turn. In between this complete turn, 10 base pair, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 base pair are present in a complete turn, 10 bases. Like this, adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. This is one base, this is one base. So 10 bases are present per turn. In between this, the length of a turn, as we know, 34 angstrom. In between the length of a complete turn, 10 bases are present. 10 bases in each complete turn. Like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Bases are present in a complete turn or per turn. Then if 10 bases are present in a complete turn and the length of the complete turn is 34 angstrom, so the distance between two base pair is, means the distance between two base pair, adjacent base pair, like this. Like this. The distance between two base pair. The distance between two base pair. This one. The distance between two base pair. How much it comes? As we know, the length of a complete turn is 34 angstrom. So the distance between two turn is, we know that in between the complete turn means this 34 angstrom length consists of 10 bases. 10 bases are present in a complete turn. So the distance between two base pair is 34 angstrom divided by 10. It comes 3.4 angstrom or 0.34 nm. Then the number 9, charge of rule. What charge of rule says? It is based on composition of DNA. Charge of rule is based on composition of DNA. It states that in any species, in any living organism, DNA molecules should have an equal ratio of, means DNA molecule have an equal ratio of pyrimidine and purines, means the number of pyrimidine is equal to the number of purine. As we know, pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine in DNA, and adenine and guanine are purine in case of DNA. So the number of pyrimidine means the number of C and T is equal to the number of A and G, because A always pair with T and C always pair with G. So number of A should be equal to the number of T. So number of C is equal to the number of T, number of G, because we know because we know A always pair with T and C always pair with G, means number of A should equal to the number of T and number of C is equal to the number of G. Am I right or wrong? So Charge-of rule states that number of pyrimidines is equal to the number of purines. So number of A is equal to the number of T, as I have already explained to all of you, and the number of G is equal to the number of C. So we can also write it as A plus G is equal to T plus C. Am I right? We can also write it as A plus C is equal to G plus T, because number of G is equal to number of C. So we can put C in place of G and we can put G in place of C also. So we can alter it and also write it as A plus C is equal to G plus T. So we can also write it as A plus T, means adenine is equal to the number of thiamine and cytosine is equal to the number of guanine. So we can also write it as A plus T is equal to G plus C. Okay, we can write it as A plus T is equal to G plus C, or we can make a ratio A plus T divided by G plus C is a constant for a species. Charge-of rule says that A plus T and G plus C ratio is always constant for a species. Then number 10, DNA helix has a shallow groove called minor groove. In the structure of DNA, there are two grooves present. Here one groove is present, is called minor groove at the starting of a turn or starting of a complete turn. It is called minor groove, which is 1.2 nm, and this is called major groove, which is measure about 2.2 nanometers. So guys, these are the main 10 points and the main 10 features or characteristics of DNA and structure of DNA. So when we discuss about structure of DNA, we should mention these 10 points very effectively and thoroughly. So guys, this is all about structure of DNA and composition of DNA.